Ladies and gentlemen, let the show begin.
Is that a show?
What is going on now?
I must see it.
Oh, come on, Your Majesty. This is unacceptable. You're supposed to stay indoors.
Hello there. You know, I absolutely loved your show. I want to prepare a little surprise for the Queen's Jubilee.
What kind of surprise?
Something special.
What's going on? The Queen has gone missing.
We've got him! He masterminded the whole thing. I saw him by the watering can. There were footprints, and in his hands he had this. I mean, this.
What?
Dear friends, the Hive cannot remain without a leader. I'll be your new queen until further notice.
No.
Back to work.
We need to take back the Hive tonight. Wendy is overexploiting the garden. She's draining its resources. We have to do something.
So we'll have to do it the hard way.
Let's move out to the hive. Marguerite! Let's show 'em what we're made of.
The cricket? Impossible! Call in reinforcements!
Party's over, you microbes. Is that all you got, kid?
Come on. Hands off my queen, Sphinx Moth.
Sorry, ladies. The hive is closed.